Pacific Fleet Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Ignacio speaking, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. And we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Airbus A350-900 that flew to Xiamen from Hong Kong this morning for maintenance. So this aircraft is registered by Lima Romeo Golf. She took her flight number 63820 with the great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour, and a top of 70 degrees as you can see it here. This aircraft is special because me and Austin have been on this bird, and the latter actually flew on this bird returning to Hong Kong from Jakarta, Indonesia as 776 back in 2018. So this aircraft took off at the southern runway in Hong Kong International Airport and checked up go at 6:50 a.m. local time. Then she landed at Xiamen Gaoqi International Airport at 7:50 a.m. local time in Xiamen, China. So she's expected to have maintenance in HAECO hangar in Xiamen. So for the details of Bravo Lima Romeo Golf, kindly check the previous video about this said aircraft. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Ignacio, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui.